Hello and welcome to our presentation for the Biodesign Challenge 2025 with the topic Mycelium, a structural resource. To dive in directly, you may ask yourself, what do apples, potato peels and stale bread have in common? Right, they are all organic waste that gets thrown away. But how is this waste used in the further disposable process? Currently, the organic waste is disposed and used to pass different types of procedures in which compost and energy in form of biogas are synthesized. But what if there was another way organic waste could be used? To continue this question, we take a closer look at the nature superhero, mycelium.
So now we're asking ourselves, what is mycelium? Mycelium is a root-like network that forms the main part of a mushroom. It is a communicative structure that adapts to its environment and can be processed into a sustainable material. In our project, we're focusing on the two main abilities. The first one is the ability to use mycelium as an organic substrate which consumes biological waste. The second one is its ability to grow its own root-like structure out of this substrate. To get more into the design process, we formulated a research question. How can mycelium be used as a sustainable and multifunctional material?
Going further down this way, we came to the conclusion that not only being aware of the abilities of mycelium, but combining them will lead us to create a third path of organic waste usage, building material. Combining those two abilities, we are proud to announce the world's first smart trash can based on mycelium, the Fungibin.
So the advantages are that the waste gets processed and becomes new resource material. It is a climate-friendly and future-oriented alternative to the usual way of disposal. It is a scalable innovation with market potential, since the material can be used in different ways. In order for it to ideally function, specific conditions have to be met for the mycelium to do its organic process, like the air permeability, a temperature regulator. It needs to be removable, humid, and it needs a sufficient expansion space. So how does it work? First, the residents dispose the organic waste, and then the substrate starts to absorb the waste and grows into a still active mycelium block. Then that block can be further processed and used as a new material, for example, building houses. However, our product can be further extended in the following backend.
The backend concept contains four main elements. Users will get special waste bags with mycelium substrate provided by the city. There will be still a standard waste collection by the regular municipal waste service. The users are free to choose on how to reuse the mycelium block and get a discount on tax levies in depth with their participation. We're only beginning to understand what mycelium can do, from sustainable materials to medical breakthroughs. So the real question is, what will we grow next?